Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back my channel. In this video I present to you a small balcony decoration idea. So let's start. Don't let a small outdoor space limit what you can do on your balcony with clever storage and smart furniture. All your big ideas can be brought to life whatever your budget. Number 1. All you need for added cool. Needed some extra shades. This small umbrella has been specifically designed to keep balconies cool and shady. Its unique design brings a modern look to the space, and the base won't get in the way of any of your other furniture. Let your balcony bloom with shelves at different levels. This plant stand help you to bring your balcony to life with lush layers of greenery in stylish pots. It works indoor as well as outdoor, making it easy to relocate or your plant if you need to rescue them from colder temperature. A table with a beautiful view. This outdoor table with two folding chairs makes it easy to start sitting the scene on your small balcony. The best width. The low price means that extending your living space won't make a big dent in your wallet. So friend, please subscribe my channel and see you again. Bye bye.